Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,